Hello, I'm Prasant. Welcome in the series of AWS Solution Architect Certification Exam Preparation. So let's jump on the new question. A company creates business critical 3D images every night. The images are batch processed every Friday and require an uninterrupted 48 hours to complete. So let's highlight the endpoints here. So first thing is like that it is mentioning here that it should be uninterrupted 48 hours. It means we need such kind of instances which should not be get terminated, which should not be fail, and it should be continuously 48 hours. 48 hours it needs to be provisioned. And this is one more endpoint here. We are doing the batch processing. So somehow this question is trying to create the confusion, because when the term come batch processing, then generally we go with the we go with the spot instances because it is very cheap, and batch processing generally we do for the ETL kind of work. But here this one is mentioned uninterrupted 48 hours. If you will combine both, then there is a one more thing here is like that we are running on a particular day in a particular time. So there are the 3 points here. One is the batch processing. It is trying to confuse you. So just ignore this part. Take the Friday. Friday is a scheduled activity for the 48 hours uninterrupted. So if I am ignoring this point here and taking this one point and the second point, means I need to provision the EC2 instances which needs to be run on a particular time for a particular time duration. So it's mentioned here Friday we need to run it for the 48 hours. So whenever that particular day or the time is scheduled, then we need to choose scheduled reserve instances. So without going to the option, just I'm trying to update you that without jumping to the options, you can also judge that what would be my option, what would be my correct option. Other thing is most cost effective. So this you should keep in the mind, because this task you can also provision it by using the on demand. So you can just provision the on demand on the Friday and you can complete this activity. So here the third point they have added that we need to do it on the most cost effective way. So on demand is expensive, very expensive, so don't use it here. Scheduled reserve instance is the best option here. Reserve instance is not the good option, because it is not like 1 year you are continuously provisioning that EC2 instance, or it is in use. It is not like that condition. So this is the wrong answer. These the spot instances, they try to confuse you by using this word batch processing. So this question is very simple, but a little bit tricky. One more slide I have included here, that is like life cycle of scheduled reserve instances. So like you can check the availability, you can purchase, terms begin, then you are scheduling that scheduled time begins. Launch schedule instances, EC2 launch instances, schedule time ends, and the times is end. So here you can see that there is a looping here for the terminating the instances, and there is an inside looping for the terminating the instances. So this is the cycle of the reserve instances, and it is the most cost effective way. Without interrupting, you can provision the EC2 instances, and you can complete such kind of activities. That's all from my side. Thank you.